Today, every company has some form of digital transformation strategy to compete and explore new avenues of growth. Having a clear data strategy is absolutely vital for any digital transformation journey. There is already a lot of data available with the companies, but most of them lack the proper know-how, and as a result, they are not being able to utilize it properly. So, to deliver quick wins, we at Affotech Technologies assist these companies in their digital transformation journey by providing scalable, secure, and cost-effective digital analytics solutions. We deliver end-to-end data analytics services. These include but are not limited to data collection, organization, data modeling, visualization, and data governance. We focus on descriptive and diagnostic analytics, which enables our customers for predictive analytics. For a customer in digital analytics space, we manage their digital platform, which is the backbone for delivering multiple digital services for ad agencies, advertisers, and media companies. Analytics platform consists of multiple data pipelines delivering display, video, and search analytics. On an average, 2.5 terabyte data is processed per day for 300 plus customers, and various insights are delivered. Technologies involved: Snowflake as data warehouse, AWS EMR clusters for running jobs, AWS pipelines, and Apache Spark. Superset is used for analytics and dashboarding. Messaging platform is built using Kafka. Programming languages are Java, Scala, and Python. Monitoring tools are Grafana and Nagios. For one of the customer, we redesigned and built recommendation engine for pay-per-click online advertising. There were 100,000 small companies consuming these services, and the legacy relational database solution was not scaling up to support rapidly growing data coming from multiple sources and new dimensions. We implemented Apache Kafka based broker and buffer for all data streams. Python based data connectors were written to connect the endpoints of the providers. PySpark scripts were written to extract and transform the data from Kafka. Data offsets with timestamp was maintained in PostgreSQL. Cassandra was used as a data warehousing solution. The transformed data was saved in Cassandra table. A careful design of row key in Cassandra tables provided a faster mechanism for fetching a data from Cassandra clusters. One of the largest players in oil and gas industry was exploring options to implement data governance for their millions of proprietary files getting added in Azure Data Lake. Main focus of this data governance project was to provide effective search and security layer to protect their data. We developed data governance and metadata management using industry standard tools like Apache Atlas and Azure Data Catalog Generation 2. Designed and implemented various types, entities, and processes for data governance using Apache Atlas through attribute lists to search entities and consume through glossaries. Demonstrated how attributes and classification flow from parent to child entities, and metadata extraction from Oracle RDBMS through Scoop and Hive using Apache Atlas hooks and bridge mechanism. Overall solution was developed using Hadoop, Scoop, Hive, Oracle, and Apache Atlas. We partnered with digital wealth management company with operations in Hong Kong, Singapore, and India to develop secure and scalable real-time analytics solution. The analytics solution was developed using Google services like Data Catalog, which enables their customer representatives to get various insights of their customer portfolios, study the trends, compare various instruments, and reduce the portfolio risk to deliver better growth. Our data architects have 15 plus years of experience and have designed and implemented very complex, scalable, and secure data analytics solutions using technologies like Azure Data Bricks, Apache Spark, Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Lake, Apache Atlas, and Azure Data Catalog Generation 2. Our data analysts are well versed with various data modeling techniques and have expertise in data analytics and visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Google Data Studio. It is very vital to choose the right set of technologies which are scalable and secure. Each customer needs a carefully devised data strategy based on various business parameters, as it is very costly to make any changes once the solution is in place. Hence, we ensure to use the best possible analytics solutions from Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud platforms. For data warehousing and storage, we use Azure SQL, Azure Block, Amazon Redshift, Amazon S3, HDFS, and Hive. As data platforms, we use Azure Databricks, HD Insight, and Amazon EMR. For data analytics, we use Apache Spark and Azure Data Lake. For data visualization, we use Power BI Desktop, Power BI Embedded, Tableau, Apache Superset, and Google Data Studio. For cluster management, we use Hadoop Yarn and Kubernetes. Typical languages used are USQL, Scala, Python, Pandas, NumPy, and PySpark.